beautiful portfolio over here. This beautiful portfolio. Also, we are going to make it responsive and everything is going to work. We are also going to implement this dark mode, over here, and we are going to link this to charts. This dark mode has not been implemented in this one, but we're going to do it in this video. So stay tuned and let's work with this. Also, let's give a big shout out to the person that got this template from and worked with it. His name is this is his name. Okay, here. This is the person I got the template from and worked with it. A big shout out to him. It's a beautiful design. Thank you very much. Okay, and there's a Figma file. I'll also show you guys. I will give the in the description. I'll drop a link for you to be able to download the assets files, and I'll also show you guys how to get the pictures out of the Figma, for how you can export the pictures. So you guys should make sure you like and subscribe to this kind of content you like. This is also a beginner friendly course on React. We're using React here, a beginner course, so let's just work with it. Let's go.